Syariah Islamiah. Today, I want to show you guys how to replace a doorknob, because when you know how to replace a doorknob by yourself, you doesn't have to call a handyman to replace it.
A fan damage occurs to the latch that will cause the knob to not work properly. Firstly, insert a sharp object into the hole on the stem that's attached to knob. Pull the interior knob away from the door. Take it outwards and remove the two screws that hold one side of the old doorknob into place. Unscrew the latch. Then pull the latch out from the hole in the door. Remove the knob on the outside of the door. Push the latch into the hole in the door and push the bus on the external knob through the hole in the latch. Line up the latch faceplate with the screw holes, so that you can screw it in. Line up the mounting plate and then screw it. So that the holes in the plates are aligned with the holes in the exterior knob. Attach the rows after screw the mounting plate of the interior knob. Lastly, connect the interior doorknob to the door.